Dean Zelinsky, and I'm a guitar maker. I've been manufacturing guitars officially since 1977. Dave Miller from Mastercam sold me my first Mastercam suite, I think around 2008. We've kind of been friends ever since, and about 2 years ago he called me up and said, hey, I'd like to make one of your guitars out of titanium. So this is my design called Natalia, and we originally made them solid body, and then eventually I took this very ultra thin guitar and made it hollow. When Dave came to me and said I wanted to do a titanium guitar, first thing I thought of, this was the perfect guitar, the Natalia, because it was already thin and hollow. So we're halfway there.
When you look at how thin the surfaces and the ribs are, we get down to just under 1 millimeter thick walls on this titanium guitar. To make sure that these parts came off the machine in perfect condition without crashing the machine all in one shot, we utilized the Vericut G-code simulator to make sure everything was good. So with those long cycle times, we're running this machine lights out 24/7. So a lot of times we're not even in the building when some of these toolpaths are running. Having that confidence level is very important, especially not only on a part like this where we have a tight deadline and no room to mess up.
For Mastercam users, we've been working with Mastercam in a partnership for decades. They're very, very popular with Vericut. And supporting Dave, it's his manufacturing needs of complex processes, making sure they're absolutely error-free and as efficient as possible. And that's where our Vericut software and the optimizer come into play. All the machine part that you need to make, once you've programmed them in Mastercam, there's an easy interface that connects that to Vericut and brings your whole simulation scene into play. And then you just watch it and make sure that there's no errors in it. And it gives you the confidence at the end of the day that when you go out to the shop, the actual code you're running on the machine, which we call G-code, is going to run without any incidences that you're not aware of. For the optimization part of the software, if you imagine programming your path in Mastercam, you now got a quality path to go out and machine your part. What Vericut Optimizer does is it looks at every single cut you make and it subdivides it into feeds and speeds that are the best for that tool in that material. The guitar was titanium. That's a hard material to machine. The end result is a smooth running, very efficient program, even improves your tool life.
You know, the cool thing with Mastercam is they had top designers, top engineers. So anytime I suggested something, they were like, you know, couple of clicks and we were there.
When you look at how the shops are out there producing parts, they need everything to be able to run as efficiently as possible. The Force Optimizer allowed us to hit our deadlines by cutting that cycle time significantly.
So having this partnership with Mastercam makes it so good for the customers to get their processes optimized and out in the shop being delivered at the lowest cost and the most competitive cost possible. And working together, we're able to make that a smooth transaction for all their parts.